What should every first-time homeowner know about HVAC maintenance? Every first-time homeowner should replace air filters regularly, keep outdoor equipment clear, schedule professional inspections, and watch for warning signs before small problems become expensive repairs. A clean filter helps your heating and cooling system move air without working too hard, so check it every month and replace it when it looks dirty, usually every 1 to 3 months. Homes with pets, smokers, allergies, or construction dust may need more frequent changes. Keep furniture, curtains, and rugs away from indoor vents, and make sure supply vents and return grills are open. Outside, remove leaves, grass, and weeds from around the air conditioner, leaving about 2 feet of open space for airflow. Before changing a filter or cleaning your equipment, turn the system off for safety. Schedule professional service at least once a year, preferably air conditioning service in spring and heating service in fall. A technician can inspect electrical parts, refrigerant levels, drainage, burners, and safety controls that homeowners cannot safely test. An often missed detail is the condensate drain, which removes moisture from the air. If it clogs, water can leak, cause mold, or shut the system down, so ask a technician to check it during maintenance. One common mistake is choosing a filter that is too restrictive, because a higher rating is not always better for every system, so use the size and filter rating recommended by the equipment maker. Another mistake is ignoring unusual sounds, burning smells, weak airflow, or rooms that stay too hot or cold, so turn the system off if there is smoke or a strong burning odor and call a professional. Many homeowners also forget that outdoor units need clearance and that refrigerant work requires trained service, so never pour chemicals into a drain or try to add refrigerant yourself. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.